we're going to start Surya Namaskar B. We're going to do 3 more rounds of this. Go slowly, go at your own pace. Come back to Samastitihi, beginning of the mat. Get ready. Inhale, fully squat and come up. Take the hands up. If it's comfortable, join the palms. Look at the hands. If not, keep it apart and look straight ahead. Exhale as you bend forward. All the way down, head down. You can bend the knees. Inhale, lift the chest, look up, create length. Exhale, keep it simple for the first one. Just walk back. Okay? Inhale, plank. Exhale, knees down. Very gently, chest down. Urdhva Mukha, inhale, arch the spine. Exhale to downward dog. You turn the left leg 45 degrees. Take the right leg forward. Slowly position yourself. Inhale, find the balance, release the hands, come and stand. Join the palms, look at the hands. Very gently take the hands back to the mat. Inhale, step back. Exhale, knees down, chest down. Urdhva Mukha, inhale, arch the back. Adho Mukha, exhale. We have to do that on the left side. Turn the right leg comes forward. Find the balance, don't hurry. Start to find your balance. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, slowly hands down. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, knees down, chest down. Inhale, come up. Exhale. We're going to stay here for 5 breaths, deep breathing. 1. Inhaling, exhaling. 2. 3. 4. 5. Look forward. Let's just walk forward for the first one. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Inhale, bend the knees. Squat and come up. Samastitihi. And we're done. Let's just take a moment. Close your eyes in Samastitihi. Listen to the heartbeat for a moment. Listen to your breathing. Maybe the heart is beating a little fast. No problem, that's normal. As you keep doing, it will get better. Join the palms. Inhale. Slowly open your eyes. From here, bend the knees for a moment and then take it to the side. Baddha Konasana, both feet touching each other. If you have some knee pain or if your hips are very tight, meaning if your knees are so high, you can keep 2 bolsters either side of your knees for support. But if it's comfortable, go ahead and sit like this, okay? Interlock the fingers, place it under your toes. Let's do a warm-up. Inhale, head up. Exhale down, little bit by little bit. Inhale, come up. Doesn't matter how deep you go. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. And now take the hands up. So this is very challenging just to sit in this with the hands up. The back has to be straight, the shoulders have to be open, the hips have to be open. So just take a breath. You can sit like this for some time, at least 30 seconds. If you hold, it will be really good. And now slowly release. Take the fingers under the toes. Inhale, head up. Exhale, little bit by little bit. Press your elbows down on your thighs and start to bend forward. If you can't go fully, no problem. Even if you're here, just breathe. Breathe deeply into the posture. Okay? Let's hold that for a few breaths. Feel the stretch on the inner thighs, outer thighs. And then after about 5 breaths, inhale, come up. catch hold of your knees. Close your knees together. Hug everything in. Head down for a moment. Relax.